Restoration World Outreach Ministries, RWOMI, moving forward and upward. From a ministry of small beginnings to empowering the peoples of the nation.
RWOMI to the world.
From the start, the visionaries of RWOMI have been determined to fulfill their God-given mandate placed on this great work. And as the ministry grew, so did the vision.
Today, RWOMI has several bodies under its umbrella. And so, RWOMI, the parent organization, now has the RWOMI Fivefold Network, RWOMI Humanitarian Outreach, RWOMI Christian University, and RWOMI Christian Academy. The RWOMI Humanitarian Outreach continues to expand its reach, and so we have embarked on several missions. RWOMI Health and Wholeness, RWOMI Water, RWOMI Food, RWOMI Children.
RWOMI helps to sponsor orphanages such as the RWOMI Orphanage in Kenya and the Mercy House Orphanage in Uganda under Drs. Gilbert and Sissy Virunji. RWOMI also has several schools under its umbrella: RWOMI Christian Academy, RWOMI Christian University, RWOMI School of Champions in India, RWOMI Primary School, Lahore, Pakistan. And RWOMI currently sponsors a university student in the Philippines. All this comes under the banner of RWOMI Education.
In addition to this, RWOMI is involved in media with RWOMI Network, which covers RWOMI Radio, Positively Power Packed, and the RWOMI Hands publication.
Further to all this, RWOMI is an accredited NGO, non-governmental organization, working with the United Nations and other accredited organizations working to help fulfill these sustainable development goals. RWOMI is actively involved in advocacy with particular focus on the poor.
Help us fulfill our mission and God-given mandate. Together, we can bring change to the lives of many near and far. Let's do it together. Remember, 1 + 1 = change. Give now by going to www.rwominc.com and clicking the donate button, and be a game changer for someone today.